Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video and it's just a normal regular one. And look I got some new. I'm so excited. I did some thumbnails and some inspiration and all of that, and I rebranded my style, not my name, but more of my style with my clip art, with the boho style that everybody sees everywhere that I possibly can, right? So this is just a normal regular process video, nothing fancy, just sketch and going to town, because I will say that I have been very much in a mojo slump, and it took a lot for me to get started again. And sometimes that happens. I'm going to tell you this right now, that no matter what, people get into slumps. I was able to not have to film and get through the mojo without you guys really seeing a lot of not being on my channel. You know what I mean? Because I batch film and then I do the voiceovers and put them up. And so I really didn't have to do any videos until this one. And I'm glad that I did take the time off because my mojo's back. And then obviously I'm going into the month of April. We are going to be crazy, so I'm going to batch. Right now I am on spring break. This is Saturday. This video is going to actually go up on Saturday. I did this Friday night, and I'm just getting it up on my channel because I haven't had a layout on my channel in a little while. And it's only because, like I said, I lost some mojo, and it happens. It all happens to the best of us. You cannot help the fact that you lose mojo. I can be on design teams, I can be on everything, and there are days that you just lose it. And it is what it is. And we all go through those slumps. It's okay. I mean, I will tell you, people have writer's block all the time. For authors, I have creativity block. And, you know, there's a multitude of things. I started college, but that college had nothing really to do with it. But, you know, I can use it as my excuse, but really it wasn't. I mean, I just felt like I'm going to focus on college for a couple of weeks and still have my layouts go up. You guys didn't miss anything. My design team commitments were there and all of that. And ultimately, things sometimes happens for a reason. And so that's exactly what happened to me. So I'm back at it though. Things are good. Things have always been good. It's just, some days you just have those times. So I decided I am pulling out some of my page maps sketches. So I pull all of it off of their website. So I will link their website down below. I love their sketches. They work out wonderful for creativity blocks for me. And the one thing about page maps is I print them all off, because once they're available, you can print them off, and that's exactly what I did. I have a binder that's just strictly for page maps, and that's what I printed out and use when I have a block or I take them to crops for me, all of that. So I just pulled out one of them. I can't even tell you which one it was because I accidentally put it away. I'm notorious for pulling something out, using it for inspiration, telling you where it is, but where the exact one is, on the website, because I put it already away. So I'm just backing this part up. It did request 3 photos, and I did do that. These photos are of my daughter during Dr. Seuss week in second grade. Just the 3 little bits that we do something every day, but these were the 3 that I wanted to scrapbook. One is of her daddy's hat. The other one is crazy socks, and then of course her crazy personality came out with her crazy clothes. So that is what those are. And I kind of followed the side of the sketch like I did, but I did it just a tad bit different. But I still love how this turns out. I think it's just perfect, and it's great for her style. It's good mojo to come back and look at getting back into the swing of things. I absolutely love this. So make sure that you go check out my channel. I do upload normally between 2 to 3 times a week. I do traveler's notebooks in the summertime, which I can't wait. I'm geared up to start here soon. I'm super duper excited for that. Oh yeah, FYI, this is crooked. I know it is, and I ain't pulling it up because I don't care. Just to let you know. I do 12 by 12s like this, regular process videos like this, collaborations and design team layouts. I can't wait to start dipping back into my traveler's notebooks. Traveler's notebooks, I can batch about 6 or 7 of them in one shot because they only take me about 20 to 30 minutes each, and they're easy to do, but I like to do them in the summertime because not everybody likes traveler's notebooks, but I like to use them, and I haven't dipped into them all year long, so I'm ecstatic to go back into them and dig in and get some of them layouts done, and they're fun to do. They're just straight up fun to do. I am also, if you're new to my channel and you're not sure, I am also a close to my heart consultant. I have a huge sales challenge that got issued out to me. And so come join my group if you're more interested on their products and all that. This here one is from the HipKit, but like I said, I do tons of stuff from close to my heart, and everything will be linked down below for my close to my heart too. All of that. And then I do have a group that'll be linked down below as well. Come over and join. We do Zooms on Fridays and Saturdays. Almost every Friday and almost every Saturday. It just all depends on what I've got going on, if I can get one set up or not. Even if I get it set up, I may not always be there, but I do have friends that will hop on and just have fun to hang out. So my title is going to be Crazy Wacky Week. Ever since the pandemic hit, Zooms are like my life. And especially now that Josh is deployed, it is fantastic to get to just talk to other people, other adults than just my daughter. I just added this piece. I do come in with some splatters. It is the Tuscan Sun from Shimmer's Paints. I am on their design team, so I have quite a bit of their products, and I use theirs all the time as well. But yeah, this is about it. I'm just coming in with my splatters. The still shots are coming up. Check my back part. Like I said, all of my thumbnails and everything are rebranded myself, at least my clip art. My name is still hashtag my scrappy life. However, it is all just changed out to my color tones and all of that, and it kind of fits my life. So I hope that you all are staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.